Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hitch cargo carriers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XCAR folding carrier. The XCAR Hitch Cargo Carrier has 6 inches side rails that are designed to hold your possessions in place. We recommend this cargo carrier for anyone that is used to moving heavy equipment. The bed of this cargo carrier is reinforced with thickened steel mesh. The basket has 4 metal support poles and an extra thick folding tube. The maximum loading capacity for this cargo carrier is about 500 pounds. And that is more than enough for your extra supplies. If you're short of space in your vehicle, then you should get this cargo carrier. You can use it to haul your heavier equipment while allowing you some legroom. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mockins Hitch Carrier. This cargo carrier from Mockins has 20 inches wide bed made from heavy-duty steel. We recommend this hitch carrier cargo for people that are used to hauling their expensive camping equipment. With this cargo carrier, you will also receive a waterproof cargo bag. You can use this 57.7 by 19.4 by 24 inches bag to carefully store your vulnerable possessions. Once you have secured your equipment, you can haul as safely on the Mockins cargo carrier. This cargo carrier even comes with 2 ratchet straps and a cargo net. If you're looking for a reliable cargo carrier to transport your belongings, then you should consider this one. At number 3, we have the Maxhaul Hitch Carrier. This cargo carrier features a very simple design that serves the purpose. The basket, however, is wide and can accommodate your camping equipment easily. The frame is powerful steel that is powder-coated for resistance against rust. This frame will endure against tough terrains and heavy loads over the years. You can haul about 500 pounds on this cargo carrier without any problem. The simple design also makes this cargo carrier easier to clean and maintain after each use. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Hitch Carrier. This hitch carrier provides you with plenty of space. If there is equipment you need to move but you don't have room, then here is the solution. This cargo carrier has a sturdy steel body that has 500 pounds. Load capacity. The basket of this carrier is framed with thick railing on all sides. This cargo carrier has cutouts in the steel railings for taillights to ensure security. And finally, at number 1, we have the Curt Hitch Carrier. This hitch carrier comes with 6 inches rails that keep belongings in order. These sturdy railings can also be used to secure straps on your luggage. This cargo carrier has a sturdy steel frame that is powder-coated for extra protection. The wide basket on this cargo carrier features a mesh floor that is easy to clean. This hitch carrier can carry 500 pounds worth of load effortlessly. The angled shank provides you with an added 2 ground clearance. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.